Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so getting into this video, I'm going to be reviewing an expert advisor called the Trend Tracer EA, and this one is for MT5. And the interesting thing is this EA is available for free on the MQL5 marketplace. So right here on the end on the MQL5 marketplace, we can see that the Trend Tracer EA is positioned as a fully automated trend trading system, and the core idea is pretty straightforward. It's you can see it trades based on trends, right? Tries to identify market structure using highs and lows. We can even see some images here already telling us how the EA functions, right? But we are still going to be testing it using our strategy tester. So instead of relying on traditional indicators alone, it's focusing on how price is forming higher highs, higher lows, lower highs and lower lows, right? And then using that structure to trigger entries. It's also completely automated, and it can be tested across different pairs and time frames, which makes it quite flexible for experimentation. But the real value of this system becomes clearer when we actually see how it behaves in a live market environment. So now we're just going to be adding this EA to our MetaTrader platform. All right. Okay. So having added it to our MetaTrader platform, we are now going to test the EA using our strategy tester. All right. I'm just going to select the Trend Tracer EA. Then the symbol, we can just use any symbol of our choice. In this video, we're going to be using the Euro USD. We're going to be using the 1 hour time frame. Feel free to use whatever time frame you prefer. All right. And then for this test, I'm going to be running it from the start of the current year. Okay. So we can get a decent sample of different market conditions. Now, before we go further, I just want to point out something important. With trend-based systems like this, longer backtesting is always more meaningful. Okay, a few months might show clean behavior, but ideally you want to see how it performs across trending phases, ranging periods, and volatile transitions, because trend systems often behave very differently depending on structure. All right, so we're getting right into it. So what we're going to be seeing, is the EA identifying swing points. All right, the EA is going to be marking out, as we can see, the EA is actually marking out swing points already. You can see we have a swing low here, a swing high here, right? The EA is marking out highs and lows in real time. Now, if we take a closer look at this, we'll see that price here had formed a clear structure shift, right? We had a previous high here, and then we had a lower high here. You can see that, and now price is attempting to break a key level, which is a lower low. You can see a low here. This is a lower low, and price is attempting to break this key level. So the entry logic here is based on breakout of confirmed market structure, validation that a new trend phase may be forming, and confirmation that price is not just ranging randomly. Okay, so this is not an early entry system. It's actually waiting for structure confirmation before executing trades. All right, so let's just allow the test to run for a while more. Okay, or I'm just going to skip to the end. All right, so that we can see how it performed over the past few months. And then while waiting for the results, let's also head over to our chart. And since it's a free EA, so let's just add the EA directly to the chart and see if there is anything interesting for us. For example, the inputs. Okay, let's just quickly go through the inputs. So we can see that you can select the time frame, all right, and then we can also see the trigger extremum in trend. You can edit the value, the trade first signal in trend only. You can choose if you want that or not. Then for the depth, you can edit the value. Then we can also see the volume mode. If you want fixed lots, you can input the lot size that you desire, and then the risk percent of balance, the TP factor. If you do not want TP to be used, then you can just change this value to 0. And then we have the TSL highs and lows, if you want that or not. And then we have the TSL trigger points, the TSL points, TSL step points. Feel free to edit these values depending on how you want the EA to function. All right, now you would also see that okay, let's just have the EA added to our chart. So this is the EA being used in real time. Okay, so this is not back testing now. This is the EA being added to our chart, and we can see how it is identifying highs and lows for us in real time. And then you can also see here it's showing us the server time, the number of higher lows that has been identified, and the number of lower highs. Okay, so here we have higher lows 0, we have lower highs 1. We can see we actually have a single lower high, and we have a lower low, not a higher low, right? So let's just go to another time frame and let's see. All right, okay, I think the trend is actually bearish, probably why we are having lower highs and lower lows across the time frames. Okay, so here we have higher low on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so it helps us identify the higher highs and higher lows. So the functionality of this EA is quite straightforward. Okay, quite straightforward. And don't forget that the drawdown that an account experiences is dependent on the lot size being used. All right, it's highly dependent on the lot size being used. So if you are a low risk trader, you want to watch out for the lot size that you are using. Okay, go through the inputs carefully and modify the values carefully depending on how you want the EA to function. So you don't just drag and drop the EA to your chart. Ideally, you should go through the settings and you should modify the settings to suit your own trading style. All right, okay, so we have our results now for the back testing, and we can see that out of 12 total trades, there were only 9 trades and only 3 trades. So a greater percentage of trades were in the selling direction, and 66.67% of our short trades were winners, while 33.33% of our long trades were winners. Okay, and the net profit we have here is just a little above 1% of our initial deposit. All right, net profit of 39.20 US dollars. So we can see that this EA is not an aggressive EA, right? This back testing was over the period of about 3 weeks and 3 months, 3 months and 3 weeks, right? And we only had 12 trades. Okay, now remember that this is just a historical backtest, and results like this can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, configuration, market conditions during the tested period, of course. So this is not something you interpret as guaranteed behavior. It's purely showing how the strategy reacts historically. What stands out though is that trend based systems like this tend to show their strength when markets are directional, but they naturally become less active in sideways environments. So, overall, Trend Tracer EA is a pure structure based trend following system that focuses on identifying market direction through swing highs and lows and then trading breakouts of that structure. It's not trying to predict reversals or trade every move. It's waiting for clear confirmation of trend formation before entering. So that makes it a very clean and logical system in trending environments. But it also means performance is heavily dependent on market conditions. So this is definitely a system that benefits from proper testing, understanding when markets are trending versus ranging, and adjusting expectations based on structure. Because, like all trend systems, it's not about trading constantly, it's about trading when the market actually moves with direction. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.